I was a punt returner, and they punted it, and I called fair catch, but as soon as I caught it, I just got lit up. At that point, I was taken off on a gurney to the hospital and diagnosed with a concussion. I took some time off. I had the mandatory 2 weeks. Unfortunately, to circumstances that was going on, I wasn't able to go see my primary doctor, and instead I was sent to a chiropractic doctor by my head coach to get cleared to play in a game that would ultimately seal my fate and put me in the situation where I am with the TBI injury. Me and a teammate were running routes, didn't see each other, collided, got knocked down. I broke down to my knees and basically just screaming bloody murder. My head hurts, my head hurts, my head hurts. And at that point, nobody really knew what was going on until I started going into convulsions on the sideline. They had to perform surgery, emergency surgery, to take this piece out so they could allow my brain to swell and do what it needed to do. Fred was the first person I met from the law firm, and we met in a little town called Port Townsend at a dinner table with my mom and her husband and myself. And we talked to him, told him my story, told him what happened, told him who I went to go see, who I was sent to by my coach, how I was cleared to play. Took about 3 years total. It was a long, endearing process, but the thing is that when you're in a position where it wasn't your fault and it could have been prevented, it's all worth it in the end. Not because of the money that you get or anything like that, but it's the reassurance that you know that there was doctors out there looking out for the best interest in you, for you, and to get you the best treatment that you needed. It's not surviving a traumatic brain injury, it's living with it. Because I'm ultimately gonna have, some sort of repercussions from it that I may not see now, but when I'm 60, 70, 75 years old, it may come up. I can never, ever, ever, ever thank Mike and Fred more. They were there to help me. They were there to make sure I got the services I need, the treatments I needed, the doctors I needed to see, and they were there for me.